Hi, this video is going to show you how to draw a counter like this using free modeling in AiHouse. Let's get started. So this is how your counter gonna look like when you're done. Now I'm gonna delete this and we're gonna create together. First, draw polygon. Input 8 for the edges. And then you pick a start point. And then let's say we're gonna make a 2000 polygon. Okay, then use offset. Let's say we offset 600 inward. Okay, next we're going to cut the polygon. We can press L for draw line. We will cut from the inner polygon and extend it outwards. Look out for the baby blue line as the reference of the extension. Okay, and then we can delete the unwanted regions and the lines. Okay, now we have the base shape of the counter. Okay, we're gonna stretch this up. Okay, let's say 300. Alright. Then move to the bottom of the counter and we're gonna zoom it inward. Let's say 200. Right? Now for the middle part, press shift before you stretch. You will see a plus sign on the icon so that you stretch a new layer, not disturbing the bottom layer. Same goes to the third layer, you press shift before you stretch. Okay, and then we zoom it inward again. And we're done. Okay, always group your objects when you're done. Okay, now we're gonna group it. So this is how to create a counter using free modeling. Please give us a thumbs up if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Happy trying. Bye.